Morning, YouTube. Welcome to day 6. And the only reason I know it's day 6, I had to look over the computer because I'm getting ready to edit day 5.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
We got to get that posted. Finally, though, what's going on? Nice weather.
No rain.
No rain. And
No
the wind. Yeah, they don't have wind in the forecast anymore. It shows that it's going to be 53 and mostly sunny, and tomorrow's going to be a little bit warmer and mostly sunny. Sounds like somebody sending us some sort of a text. But this is kind of the start of our day. Heidi's working on the website, and I've got to edit video. Just give you an idea as far as high-speed data. Within the last, I don't know, well, since we've been here, I guess, I only had maybe 2 gigabytes on my phone that I'd used, maybe 3 at the most. I have unlimited, but I'm over 50 gigabytes now. It goes really fast. It's funny how fast that gets utilized. But, you know, I was watching the football game last night, and I was doing a couple other things that maybe ate up data faster than I should have, but still, that's why you get an unlimited plan. The only downfall to that is if I get it in a congested area, they're going to slow down my speed since I'm over 50 gigs, but that's why we also have 3 phones, so we can maybe dip into one of those. That's what Heidi's doing for the website over there. So we're going to get started and see what we run into today. What do you think?
You have to finish the review on the park.
Yeah, you guys, we started doing a walkthrough of the park so we could post something on that. And we have like a little bit of a loop left. We have like one more loop left, and I don't know what else. We need to see what else we run into, so...
I think we have 2 loops left.
Yeah, maybe 2 loops. We got to look. But, yeah, there's not a lot online about it. We tried to find pictures of the sites so an RVer could get an idea if their rig was going to fit. You know how it is. Some of these sites are small. Well, that's same here, too. So we'll come back to you with that.
That's not good. The pipes are going to be frozen. Can't even... Oh, that's not so bad. You could always come... No. I'd just wait for him. I'm sure he'll call you back. He's... Yeah. Because, I mean, there's no reason why they couldn't get a generator. I'm sure they've done generators at stores before. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, well, we don't... Oh.
So even though we're RVing, Heidi's still got to run her store. Power's out, and it's been out for a little while. And the temperature in the store is like 30 degrees, so they're worried about pipes freezing. And not only that, but they're talking like it may be up to 2 days before they get it fixed. Yeah, this is one of the disadvantages of us trying to camp while she still has her job. So, yeah, we'll be happy to get rid of that. Heidi made lettuce chicken wraps with this really good flatbread. She's such a good food preparer. Ooh, you know what? Looking on the camera, everything looks messy over there, even though it's not really.
It's messy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm going back to editing. Ugh. Amazing what a day does as far as what it looks like. Look, nothing's flooded. There's a little bit of water out there in the street, but this was all flooded. It's 48 degrees out, I guess. Oh, you know what I need to do is pull out the awning, let that thing dry out. It's going to be 50 some degrees, and the sun makes all the difference. That's for sure. I pulled the truck in straight, as you've seen in the previous video. When we came back up the street here a little ways, it was flooded. It was over a foot deep. It was up. I mean, when I got done driving through, which I drove through relatively slow, I could still hear the water coming out of the fender wells out of the truck, you know, as I continued up the street. But we flooded over in this area, and it's funny because I'm not sure where the water went. You know, you can see how high it is here, so must be that all the water ran over here and then found another place to go, because it I mean, that's the low out there. I don't know why it would come over here, but it's all gone. That's the benefit of being at a beach. Okay, we're gonna go check out the park and finish up that one video that's going to be separate from here, that'll cover all the campgrounds or campsites. So we're walking the park, checking it out, shooting that video for everybody so they know what site's what. And I think that this is probably one of the best sites. Now, it's listed as only being a 30-foot site. All these posts that we walk by for each site, they're color-coded, which Heidi had to tell me because, of course, me being colorblind. And we've got green, which is 20 foot. Pink, which is 30 foot, and blue is 50 foot. So if you come up onto a marker and it shows it's blue, it's a 50 foot. Now, in this case, you can kind of tell by those numbers, 20, 30, 50, there's going to be some gray areas. There's going to be some in-betweens. I think this site number 4, even though it's only listed as 30, I bet you could get a 35 in here. It looks long enough. I'll kind of show you guys here. So if I was to camp here in the summer, guys, if you want to take my opinion for this and use that, you know, take that with a grain of salt, we're thinking that during the summer, this is probably one of the best sites, and we'll show you why. Easily accessible. It's at a very good angle with enough apron to be able to swing your rig in to start it, and then to pull out and have a nice, easy shot to get in. Again, site number 4. Water and electric, that's the best you get in these sites. They don't have sewer here, but water and electric, great. I love that. Now, the campsite we're currently at, we make a right and go towards, once we come through the gate. If we were to make a left every time, you also pass all the water, the dump station, and of course, again, the store, so if you need to get anything. Once you got to this site and you pull in, not only does it look long enough for, like I said, I think you can get 35 in here, but I bet you this is very well shaded in the summer. There is a decent amount of shade. The trees aren't very tall here, they're kind of sparse, so you would get shade at least some part of the day. You got a picnic table that you can place off in the distance, have plenty of room to put out your awning. I think you could park your still out there and have room because that apron's so big. And there's more, believe me, there's more. Right across the street, you have direct beach access. That is a boardwalk. You don't have to traipse through any trail or anything like that. It'll take you out on the beach. Once you get about halfway out, there's pretty decent views immediately, and there's seating areas. There's a rinse-off area when you come back from the beach. There's a shower. Look at that. Trash is right here. So other than having a problem with wildlife digging in this maybe at night, I don't know if they have raccoons here or whatever, maybe birds, having the trash here, that's awful nice. And yep, that's it, the trifecta. You got the bathhouse right here too. So I think that that site, so far, what I've seen, is one of the best ones here. We still have some more to go to, but what do you think?
Yeah, this is definitely a nice one.
Yeah, for it to be in the summer, if it was summertime and this loop was open, yeah, for sure. I want to show you guys the speeds that we get here with the Wii Boost and that antenna that I have. Just going through my T-Mobile phone, using it as a hotspot. It does pretty good from this location. Of course, it's a lot faster up there at Food Lion, but you'll see here that these speeds are decent, especially on the download speeds. But the upload speeds do a fair job. I mean, the fact that we're sitting at the campground, it's kind of nice. And these speeds just, you know, a year and a half ago would be faster than what I have at home. Luckily, they started upgrading out at home. And then the upload speeds, this is actually faster than what my upload speed is at home. My upload speed's not very fast at all, but it's not bad here. It makes things go a little bit quicker, so That's one of the reasons I'm trying to keep up and keep these videos uploaded for you guys at a decent pace. We did that whole little walk of the park. We checked out all the sites. I got to edit that video. We just made the other video live for you guys. So what we're shooting right now, hopefully I can get up tonight and we'll be caught up finally. It's going to be tough though. I got a lot of stuff to stick on there. And that review of all these sites, boy, I don't even know how to approach that. Our gray tank's full again because we're taking showers every day and nice long showers, and this is the second time we're emptying it, and we've been here 6 days, so yeah, about every 3 days we're filling it up. That's about right. Our black tank, we still have a little bit of room in. We're gonna have to probably be a little creative with that one. But we should be all right. Usually we can go, if we're really cautious, we can go, I think 10 days. Yeah, we've gone 10 days. So it's been 6 days and we're getting close. So we know for the next few days, we're going to have to just take it easy. Not a big deal.
Well, we have like 2 days left.
Yeah, 2 days. So we'll be fine. So we're going to empty the gray tank, not anything exciting, and then we're most likely going to head uptown and do another little eat out thing. Today's turned out to be a really nice day. Tomorrow's going to be sunny again. Heidi was going to cook steaks on the grill tomorrow, and it's only 2 o'clock. It seems strange because the sun seems like it's going down, but it's actually,
it is.
yeah. It's just weird.
It's gonna be dark in 3 hours.
Yeah. So we're going to probably try to venture out and get something to eat. Maybe not anything creative, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And then, man, this day's gone fast. Today's actually gone fast. We decided for dinner we were going to do something a little bit different. We just wanted something light right now to carry us through. We did have lunch today, but it was pretty much a breakfast.
It's kind of early.
So we're having kind of a late lunch. So we're just going to pick up some Hardee's. We don't have very many Hardee's near us, so it's a little bit different. And then we're going to grab a pizza, maybe from this Why Not place. I don't know why not. It's right there. And bring that back. And then for dinner, we'll go ahead and have pizza. Just to try something different. We were thinking about cooking steaks, but that's kind of like a big meal thing, and we'd like to prepare that and sit down and enjoy that
at normal time.
Yeah. So that's tomorrow. One thing I want to point out: anybody that's from this area, don't be offended if you drive this type of a vehicle. However, we have yet to find someone who drives an Audi that drives like a normal person. They all drive like the proverbial a-hole. It's again, don't be offended by it, but we have yet to find a normal Audi driver, and there are a ton of Audis in this area, a ton. So that's just an observation on our part. So you good Audi drivers, you need to stand up for all the crappy ones and be recognized, and slam your fellow Audi driver that's driving like jerks. So you can see the sun has definitely gone down, and we're going to close it out for the night. It's only 6 o'clock, but I got to do some editing inside. Heidi's going to finagle some lunch or something together. It's going to be a dinner lunch, and that'll be later. I mean, we'll probably eat around 8:30, 9. We didn't eat a lot there at Hardee's, but it was okay. The place is starting to pack up. I mean, this is Friday. It is after 5 o'clock, and there's quite a few more RVs here.
Plus, there's a lot of tents.
Yeah, this place is popular with the tents. No wonder they have so many tent sites.
They're gonna freeze tonight.
It's gonna be pretty cold. So yeah, so much so. Look. Oh, we got one right there. Yeah, they're everywhere. Then there's some pull behind pop-ups, off-road type deals. So we're going to close this out and pick this up tomorrow. And I think this video is probably going to be one of our shortest videos. So that's a plus for you guys. So as always,
hope to see you out there.
bye.
Bye.